Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Friday guys. So very quickly here, I do notice one candlestick pattern that is going on with Solana. So yesterday we had potentially three white soldiers, which to me seems as played out with this candle today. Okay, we've already crossed the previous level over here, but it seems like we have twisted into something known as an advanced block candlestick pattern, and I want to show you that one over here. This is where I was learning about it. So you have one big green candle, another green candle, and then you have a candle that is meeting the resistance. So this last candle is some sort of a spinning top candle. Okay, so right now what you're putting in here for this candle today, you still have 14 more hours to close. Okay, you haven't closed the candlestick yet, but if you start to close near the 102 today, that means it's forming an advanced block candlestick, which is bearish, and you're going to see tomorrow potentially coming down, forming an evening star. But where are you gonna go and retrace, because Bitcoin is also having a little bit of a trouble going to the upside. So this advanced block actually is even way more visible right now on the 4-hour time frame. Do you see that? Absolutely, the advanced block is there, and you can see this one is what's it looks like it's actually taking over. So this to me is an advanced block on the daily, on the 4-hour time frame as well. This is where you actually form one of them and you're forming up. So from here you can see a little bit of a retracement to the downside. Now to me it makes more sense on the 4-hour time frame that Solana does come down to this level at least, which is going to be $94. Now there's two reasons for that. First of all, you do have a trend line going up like this. Got it? You do have this resistance that you've broken out of, and I gave you the technical target, which hasn't really been met just yet, but you are really close. 104, let's say the technical target was met, okay, which is right over there. Okay, now let's just say you met the target, and when you broke out of things, you are going to come down to back test the lines over here. So $93 is a place where I think it's going to come down to, and that's going to be a little bit of a retracement, like 9 to 10% over the weekends as well. And we do know historically that weekends are not really good. So that's it for this quick update, guys. No any fancy stuff. I don't see the uptrend, just a retracement down to the downside. And if you want to learn trading as well, do check out the trading technical analysis course. The link is in the description, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.